Are you looking for the best mini sewing machines? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best mini sewing machines on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Hearth and Harbor Mini Sewing Machine. Hearth and Harbor Sewing Machine is a 48-piece portable sewing kit perfect for beginners and kids. It includes all the essentials like bobbins, needles, thread, and more. The built-in light and foot pedal make sewing easier. With adjustable speed and dual power options, it's convenient for all skill levels. The compact size makes it ideal for travel or small spaces, allowing you to create beautiful handmade projects on the go. What we like: portable and compact. Includes essential sewing tools. Adjustable speed and dual power. Number 2. Magicfly Mini Sewing Machine. The Magicfly Mini Sewing Machine is a compact, lightweight machine perfect for basic sewing projects. It supports AC/DC power supply or battery power, and comes with a 42-piece sewing accessory kit. It has 2 forward speeds and an LED lamp to light your work. It is suitable for beginners and is great for small crafts and quick fixes. However, it is not suitable for large or heavy material projects. What we like: compact and lightweight. Supports AC/DC power supply or battery power. 42-piece sewing accessory kit included. 2 forward speeds and LED lamp. Suitable for beginners. Number 3. WOOJAVA Handheld Mini Sewing Machine. The WOOJAVA Mini Sewing Machine is a portable and user-friendly tool designed for both beginners and experienced sewers. Its lightweight and compact design make it easy to use at home or on the go, saving you time and space. You can power it with batteries or plug it in, providing flexibility to suit your needs. This machine can handle various fabrics up to 1.8 millimeters thick, allowing you to mend clothes, curtains, and more without needing to remove your garments. It's perfect for quick repairs and small sewing tasks, making it a handy companion in emergencies. What we like: portable and lightweight. Easy to operate. Versatile for various fabrics. Battery or plug-in power options. Great for quick repairs. Number 4. JUCVNB Mini Sewing Machine. JUCVNB Mini Sewing Machine is a high-quality electric sewing machine suitable for beginners and kids. It is lightweight and easy to operate with a printed threading guide for easy threading. With 12 built-in stitch patterns, including straight and zigzag stitches, it meets various sewing needs. The machine also features reverse stitching. Additionally, it comes with a 27-piece accessory kit and a sewing machine bag, making it a perfect gift for holidays and enabling you to sew different items like pet clothes, shopping bags, and more. What we like: 12 built-in stitch patterns. Lightweight and portable. Comes with accessory kit. Number 5. Ruutcasy Mini Sewing Machine. The Ruutcasy portable sewing machine is designed for both beginners and experienced users. Its compact size makes it easy to carry, allowing you to work on small projects anywhere. The double switch and 2-line system ensure high-quality stitching, enhancing your sewing experience. A built-in lamp illuminates your workspace, making it simple to sew at night without straining your eyes. Additionally, the automatic thread cutter adds convenience, letting you finish projects quickly and efficiently. What we like: compact and portable design. High-quality stitching. Built-in lamp for visibility. Automatic thread cutter.